On the last episode.
We have now found the perfect orbit for our planet, one which will allow for the optimum temperature all year round. However, there is a planet now occupying that orbit, and sadly, for its few insignificant inhabitants, it must be destroyed. Once our trained professionals put the finishing touches on our new planet, everything will be complete.
Look, I'm still gunning for Quark. If we end up taking out Drek too, hey, fine. What?
You do care.
Don't push it, pal.
Y'all wouldn't have any spare parts, would you?
Help yourself.
Oh my goodness. Aren't you just a little angel?
Actually, I'm a little robot.
Whatever. If you two are through...
Jealous?
And so it continues. Fucking Clank, are you jealous? Yeah, Clank, that's me. Jealous. So the Hydro Pack basically lets you swim faster underwater. Yeah. It's required to get one of the gold bolts. We'll see once I do some backtracking. Oh, you son of a bitch. God damn it. I forgot this planet had some BS like that. Yeah, give me all them bolts over there. This planet without the blaster also literally impossible. Yeah, just shoot up in the air and then continue to shoot me. That's great. I might die here. I don't know what's happened, but this planet has absolutely destroyed me. Do you want to shoot this guy? Jesus, Ratchet. Maybe I need a break or something. Man, ever since I failed and bought that stupid health upgrade, it's been awful. It's been awful for me. I suck at this game now. Yep, there it is. Jesus Christ. Good news is there appeared to have been a checkpoint literally right where I died, so that's alright. I think I'm gonna complete this planet and then take a break, because this is not good. Okay, I think we did get all the gold bolts on this planet, though. Are you kidding me, game? Really? Apparently I left some bolts behind here. Oh, this game does have that. I couldn't remember if it was this game or the next game where it allowed you to do the hover thing. We can do this. We. I'm fairly certain that for whatever reason they got rid of the ability to do this in the next game. I mean, not that it really matters. There's no reason for it existing in the first place. think that's these things that blew up. Okay, if I go there... Well, no, because there's another gunship I want to destroy. Oh, yeah, cool. Just miss it entirely, why don't you, Ratchet? Jesus Christ. Yay, you guys get to watch me climb all the way back up again. What has happened, man? I can't even, like, parkour anymore. Actually, you know what? I'm not even gonna go that way. Not even gonna risk it. Oh, did all of them get destroyed? Perfect. I mean, calculated. Yeah. No, I meant to do that. I meant to fall off so that all the mines spawned and then I didn't have to worry about destroying them. You guys believe me, right?
We are too late. The ship is leaving.
Hang on. There's an old defense turret over there. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I sincerely doubt it.
Oh yeah, just start shooting me. I didn't even know that this ship could shoot me. What the heck? Why is the ship shooting me? Goddamn emulators, dude. It's not supposed to be shooting me. It was shooting me in the cutscene even. Okay, you guys can make fun of me for all the deaths I've had recently, okay? I get it. I'm not playing great, but you cannot blame me for that last death. That last death, we can strike off the record. The ship is not supposed to shoot at you until you get into this turret. Okay, maybe you want to get shot? Jesus, thank God this god-awful planet's over.
Men, you are about to embark on a very dangerous mission. We will be launching a heavily armed surprise attack from our new moon base against a completely unarmed planet. Actually, that doesn't sound too dangerous. Nevertheless, your orders are simple. Destroy anything that moves. Steal the power generators from Gorda City. Then destroy anything that doesn't move. Oh, and don't forget, have fun.
We must get to the moon base and stop Drek.
No, we have to get to the moon base to find Quark. If Drek is there, Quark is probably with him.
But Drek is going to destroy that city. We must get to the base.
That's what I said.
No, that is what I said.
Fine.
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 Clank's like, we need to get there and stop Drek. Ratchet's like, no, we need to get there and stop Quark. And you're like, wait a minute. So we need to get there, right? Anyways, I'm going to do a little bit of backtracking here now that we have the Hydro Pack. We need to go back to Pokitaru as well, because we have rare Titanium, which we can use to trade for a specific item. And our backtracking is going to take us all the way back to the first planet here to get a gold bolt. Man, I don't know what it was, that last snowy planet just absolutely shafted me. Like, what? I've never struggled on that planet so much in my life. I died so many times to that one optional path we went on. I'm also... What is happening? Okay, hopefully that never happens again. Oh hey, another spot we can use this thing. Why am I... lagging? The enemies are dropping bolts too. So are the crates. Interesting. Oh, that's because there's a bunch of new enemies here. That's why they're dropping bolts. That's something you'll see sometimes when you return to planets after you clear them out, is that new enemies will spawn in positions that they weren't in before. And those enemies will usually drop bolts. I guess it's up in the cave where the other spot is. Anyways, so over here is where we need to go. And you know what? Since I'm making use of gadgets that I normally wouldn't, there we go. Even grab a sandwich. Never mind, he won't follow me. So this is what you need the Hydro Pack for, is because normally this water will push you away, and you won't be able to get into this cave. I keep looking at my bolt count and being like, man, that could be 4,000 more. I need to stop doing that. I can't take it back anymore. So let's just pretend that we're coming up to 60,000. Oh my god, look guys, we're almost at 60,000. We only have 6 more planets to go. 6 or 5. I forget now. How do we get up there again? That's where we came from. We're going so fast. is interesting that the crates on this planet have respawned all the bulbs for us. Why am I don't know why I'm lagging all of a sudden. Interesting. Hopefully it was just some weird quirk with that planet that was going on. Nope, it's every planet. Maybe it's time for me to take a break. I want to finish this part first, though. So the reason why we didn't go down this path when we were here the first time is because we needed the rare titanium that we got from helping that guy with the drill problem. Yeah, and you'll see why once we get to the area. Oh, there is more trespasser bugs. I forgot that this planet had them. Now that we have the Hydro Pack, it'll also make getting through this area a little bit easier, because there's quite a bit of underwater swimming sections. This item we're about to get up here is completely optional as well, and it's actually kind of useless to us. Casually, it's actually really, really good, but considering we're not purchasing any, like, weapons, and we're hardly purchasing any ammo at all, yeah, this item's gonna be pretty useless to us. I'll show you what it does once we get it. And by the way I was describing it, you might be able to figure out what it does already. And it's actually pretty good, casually. So wait, it can't go there. It can go there. This can go there. And then this can go there. There we go. I don't know why I'm like doing that one. I had a huge brain fart. Oh yeah, bounce over him. Jesus. The good thing about having not a lot of weapons is that you don't really have to worry about them taking up your quick access wheel. So it literally has to go there. This puzzle is breaking my mind right now. One, two, three, four, five. Because it can't go there. It can't go there. It literally has to go here. Dude, what? There's not enough lasers for this puzzle. What's going on here? Oh, I can put it there. Okay, that would make sense. And then this would have to go there, and then this can go here. Jesus. Dude, another, I don't know, brain fart. What's going on here? I think I'm just tired.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm searching for a very elusive and secret substance.
Raritanium?
Maybe?
The oceans on this planet are said to be an excellent source of that element.
Well, not anymore. All that toxic dumping has obscured any trace of it. You will find raritanium for me.
No, I will not.
Piece of junk. My latest invention, the Persuader. I intended to use it to control minds, but, well, the only thing it's gotten me so far is a discount from Gadgetron vendors.
Hey, I could use that.
Well, I'll trade it for some raritanium.
I believe planet Hoven is a source of that element.
Yes, we already got it. Thank you, Clank. So, by the way, make note, you see the harness that Ratchet's wearing? You see that little, like, yellow and green, with the green triangle in the middle of his chest? Yeah, say goodbye to that. Because once we get the Persuader, it's gonna go right there, you'll see.
Perfect! This is precisely what I need. You will bring me more raritanium.
You can't be serious.
Ah, well, I tried.
Yay, now I got a little blue swirly thing in the middle of my chest. I look like Iron Man. Yeah, so the only thing it does is that the weapons at the Gadgetron vendor here now cost a little bit less.
I got some great
I
bargains
think
for you
it's
today.
their 3/4 of what the cost is. I think some are a little more than that. Yeah, like that one's like 2/3, so...
That's a real beauty.
Like, if I wanted to buy these weapons, this one's half off. Then, yeah,
Oh, that's a
the
nice one.
Persuader's really good. And considering I went through the whole game only buying this weapon, I'm going to get quite a bit of bang for my buck out of the Persuader.
Oh, that's a nice
But
one.
I'm not buying any of these, so it's actually quite useless to me. But the optional content, you know, I got to make bolts for the Rhino.
It is time to begin your new assignment.
Ah, a photo op by your shiny new shuttle. Terrific idea.
Oh, you really are an idiot.
What?
You are to take that shuttle to the moon base and ambush those two miscreants when they arrive.
Oh, yes. Who are they again?
Those two!
Oh, of course. There is just one problem. I'm,
Too washed up for ground combat? True. That is why I will be loaning you my starfighter. You can still fly, can't you? It's settled then. You will acquire the Starfighter once you get to the moon. Screw this up, and the endorsement deal is off!
But that would ruin me. You wouldn't.
Try me.